Hello, welcome back to School Chat Academy. It's Tukur Hamid here. Today, we're going to look at some commonly misused words. So if you're ready, let's get in. Much people or many people. Much students or many students. Much water or many water. Much fun or many fun. We're going to look at this at the end of the lesson. Okay, let's get started now. Both many and much are determiners. Determiners are words that modify or add meaning to nouns. They mostly tell us the quantity of a noun. Examples: all people, few students, some boys. These words all, few, and some are all determiners. Many is only used with countable nouns. Examples: many rooms, many schools, many books. These words, books, schools, and rooms, are countable nouns. Much is only used with uncountable nouns. Examples: much water, much oil, much information, much money. Water, oil, information, and money are all uncountable nouns. Note: whenever many is used, a countable noun must follow it. And whenever much is used, an uncountable noun must follow it. Okay, let's now correct our common mistakes. Many people is correct. Many students, correct. Much water, correct. And much fun is correct. This is because people and students are countable nouns, so we used many for them. And water and fun are uncountable nouns, so we used much for them. Never use many for an uncountable noun, and never use much for a countable noun. That is a grammatical taboo. Okay, we've come to the end of this lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. You can learn more about determiners at School Chat Academy. I hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.